User Guide for G3 and Accessories. The G3 device. The optional carrying case for G3 is convenient for you to pack and carry when traveling. Please empty the water from the water chamber before packing the device. Before using the device, open the carrying case and remove the device, hose, power cord, and any optional accessories. Tips for fitting your nasal mask. The top of the nasal mask cushion should sit above the bridge of your nose with the lower edge under your nostrils. Please ensure your breathing isn't obstructed. Please refer to the nasal mask user guide for detailed instructions. Setup and usage of the device and humidifier. Connect the power cord to the back of the G3 and plug into the electrical outlet. The G3 is designed with an integrated humidifier. To easily remove the water chamber from the humidifier assembly, press down the top of the water chamber with your hand to loosen. Remove the water chamber. You will hear a click as you lift up. Open the cap and pour water into the chamber up to the max water level indication line. Do not overfill the water chamber. Please replace the water daily. It is recommended you use only purified, distilled, or boiled and cooled water. Close the cap of the water chamber and wipe off any water on the surface. Replace by pressing down the top of the water chamber with your hand. The water chamber is now reinstalled on the humidifier. Connect one end of the tubing to the device's air outlet. Put on your mask and connect the other end of the tubing to the mask swivel port. Press the start or stop button to begin airflow. Adjusting the humidification level. When the device is in use, the humidification level will be displayed on the screen. The humidification level can be adjusted in standby mode or when the unit is in use. Rotate the knob to move the cursor to the setting options. Click the knob to enter the user menu, then rotate the knob to select the humidifier icon. Press the knob to enable the adjustment, rotate to adjust, and click the knob again to confirm the change. Click the Home button to exit to the standby or working interface. Using preheat function. In the cold and dry weather, to increase your comfort, it is recommended that you utilize the preheating function. The humidifier will preheat the water in the water chamber so that you can enjoy warm airflow from the start of your nightly therapy. In the standby interface, rotate the knob to the icon that says Preheating. Click the knob to enable the preheating function. A countdown will display on the screen. Please note, when the preheating function is utilized, the device will output a very low airflow to prevent water vapors from entering the device and damaging it. The preheating function will stop automatically after 30 minutes. During the preheating process, you may begin your treatment at any time. Using the heated tubing system. The G3 can be equipped with a heated hose that works with the humidifier and BMC's intelligent automatic humidification and temperature control technology. This allows you to enjoy the maximum humidification effects while eliminating condensation in your hose. Connect the end of the hose to the power supply connector at the back of the device. Connect the other end of the tubing to the mask. The heated tubing temperature can be adjusted in the settings of the G3. Device settings. When the device is in standby or working mode, rotate the knob to move the cursor to the settings icon. Press the knob to enter the user menu. Rotate the knob to select the option that needs to be adjusted. Click to select. Rotate the knob to select the parameter and click again to save the modification. After the parameter adjustment is complete, click the Home button to exit the menu. When the device is on standby or working status, rotate the knob to move the cursor to the settings icon. Press and hold the Home button and knob together for about 5 seconds to enter the clinical menu. Please note that the settings of the clinical parameters should be guided by a doctor or other clinical professional. Viewing usage report. The BMC G3 supports a variety of ways to view the usage reports. On the G3 screen, in standby mode, rotate the knob to move the cursor to the report icon. Click the knob to enter. Select Usage Summary, and you can view the usage report for the last day, week, month, or year. After each night of use, a usage summary of last night's data will show on the screen. Rotate the knob to move the cursor to the right side to call up the iCode QR code and scan the QR code using BMC Cares app to view more usage information. The BMC Cares app. Search BMC Cares in the Google Play or App Store to download. Install the app, then register and log in the app using your email. Click Home, iCode QR/QR+, and scan the QR displayed on the device screen to view the last day, week, month, or year's detailed usage summary. At the Upload interface, you can view historical data. At the My Page interface, you can set up 3 email addresses to receive reports, such as your own, your doctor, and your service provider. These reports can be shared at every QR code scan. Cleaning and maintenance. Before cleaning, please disconnect the power source and ensure the heating plate is cool. When cleaning the device surface, wipe with a clean, soft, slightly damp cloth. Clean the air filter weekly and replace with a new one every 6 months. This may vary depending on device usage and local air quality. Open the air filter cover and remove the air filter. Install a new air filter and replace the cover securely. Wash the filter with clean water and allow it to air dry. Do not reinstall the air filter to the device before it is completely dry. When cleaning the water chamber, please drain the water first. Wash with tap water, and if necessary, add gentle detergent to the water and soak. Rinse and wipe with a soft cloth to dry. It is recommended that all hoses are washed daily to prevent germ buildup. Wash with mild detergent and water, allowed to air dry. Optional accessory information. PM2.5 Filter. The G3 can be fitted with an optional PM2.5 filter to ease your breathing during allergy season or in highly polluted environments. Remove the regular filter and install the PM2.5 filter onto the back of the device. Please note that the PM2.5 filter is disposable and cannot be cleaned and reused. Replacement time for the PM2.5 filter is 6 months or sooner depending on environmental factors. SPO2 Kit. Your SPO2 and pulse rate can be monitored while using the BMC G3. This allows you and your care team to monitor any health changes. Insert the plug of the SPO2 kit into the socket on the back of the device. Note that the positioning slot of the plug must be aligned with the positioning slot of the socket. Connect the SPO2 probe to the SPO2 kit and then wear the SPO2 probe on your finger while using the device. External battery. BMC offers a specially made external battery specifically for the G3 device. Connect one end of the DC output cable to the input-output port of the battery and the other end of the DC power socket of the device. Turn on the power switch. The device screen will light up. The battery offers up to 14 hours of continuous power. Results may vary with device usage and settings. Please note that when the battery is not in use for an extended period of time, it must be stored in a cool, dry place and charged at least every 6 months. DC-DC power adapter. For some drivers, DC-DC adapter can help if you need to use the device in a vehicle. Connect the power supply plug of the adapter to the device of the 12V plug socket. Ventilation disinfector. The ventilation disinfector can disinfect the device internally to prevent bacteria from breeding. Please refer to the operation guide of the ventilation disinfector for further instruction.